In this question, three triangles are connected in such a way that the length of PT is given 5 unit, ST length is given 13 unit, TQ length is given 12 unit, TR length is given 20 units. Then we have to find the area of this pink triangle. That is pink area we have to find. I can solve this question using two methods. Okay, so first method I will use coordinate geometry. So my task is to find here S coordinates and R coordinates. So for this I need to find the length of SP and the length of RQ. Since we can see here SPT and triangle RQT is a right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagorean theorem to find the length of SP and RQ. So we can write in right angle triangle SPT, SP is equal to under root hypotenuse square, that is ST square, minus base square, that is PT square. ST is given 13, so 13 square. PT is given 5, so 5 square. 13 square is 169 and 5 square is 25. 160 minus 25 is a 144. Under root 144 is 12. So SP length is 12. So same I will apply in triangle, right angle triangle TQR. RQ is equal to under root hypotenuse square, that is RT square, minus base square, that is TQ square. RT is given 20, so 20 square. TQ is given 12, so 12 square. 20 square is 400, 12 square is 144. 400 minus 144 is a 256, so square root of 256 is 16. Okay, now if we will consider P is on the origin, so P coordinates will be equal to 0, 0. Then T coordinates will be distance from the origin, that is x-axis here 5, and y coordinates will be 0 because it lies on the x-axis. Same if we will see that Q coordinates, so we can write Q x coordinate is the distance of PQ from the origin, that is 5 plus 12, that is 17, and y coordinates will be 0 because Q lies on the x-axis. Okay, same S coordinates will be what? X coordinates will be 0 because S lies on the origin. Okay, or you can say that X lies on the y-axis, so it is a 0. And the y coordinates will be distance of or length of SP, that we have calculated 12, so 12. Same R coordinates will be what? X distance of this X coordinates will be the distance from the origin, that is 5 plus 12, 17, and Y coordinates will be the length of RQ, that is 16. Okay, now I will apply a formula to find the area of this STR triangle. The area, that is pink area or area of triangle STR, we can write using coordinate geometry formula 1 by 2 mod x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula. Now here x1 is a what? This one, and this one is a y1, This is x2, y2. This is x3 of r coordinate. This is y3. Okay. Now if we will put the value, then we will get 1 by 2. X1 is a 0, y2 is a 0, y3 is a 16, plus x2 is a 5, and y3 is a 16, and y1 is a 12, and x3 is a 17, y1 is a 12, and y2 is a 0. Then mod, we can write 1 by 2, 0 into something 0, 16 minus 12 4, 5 into 4 that is 20, 12 minus 0 12, 17 into 12 204. Then we can write here 1 by 2, 20 plus 204 that is 224. This will cancel in 1 2 times, that is 112 will be the required answer for this question, 112 square unit. Now second method, very simple actually. So for this I will write here, I will erase some parts so that we can understand. Okay, now see this, more parts I will erase. As we have already calculated the length of SP and RQ length, that is 16, we have already calculated. Okay, now I will find the area of this right angle triangle SPT. The area of this triangle will be what? Triangle SPT area will be equal to 1 by 2 base into height. So base is PT and height is SP12. So 5 into 12 we can write 2 6, that means 30. Same, I will calculate area triangle TQR area 1 by 2 base into height. If we'll base consider as a 12 and height is a 16, so 2 6, that means 96 square unit. So this two triangle area calculated. Now if we will consider SPQR is a quadrilateral, which kind of quadrilateral? Trapezium. Okay, so the sum of parallel sides is will be SP and RQ, and distance between them is PQ. Okay, so we can write the area of this SPQR trapezium. So area of SPQR trapezium, we can write what? 1 by 2 base 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides, that is SP plus RQ into distance between them. Distance is PQ. Okay, now we can write 1 by 2 SP is 12 according to the we have calculated already. RQ is 16. PQ is the 5 plus 12, that is 17. So we can write 1 by 2. This will become what? 28 into 17. This is in 14 times. So this we will get 14 into 17. 17 for just 68, carry 6. 17 into 6, 238 square unit of area of this trapezium SRQT. If we will subtract from the whole area this two triangle area, so we will get the pink area, that is triangle STR area. So we can say that pink area is equal to trapezium area, that is SPQR area minus triangle SPT area minus triangle TQR area. The SPQR area is 238 minus SPT area is 30. TQ, our area is 238. Sorry, 96. So we will get 112 square units for this answer. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.